I'm Heather. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my favorite post-workout break intermittent fast smoothie. This is keto and you can make the full recipe or half the recipe, just depending on your calorie and macro intake goal. Today I'm going to make the full recipe. The ingredients you will need is milk, whether it is almond milk, coconut milk, regular milk, just whatever you prefer. I'm going to use a coconut almond milk blend. You'll need a frozen avocado, powdered peanut butter, almond butter, or regular peanut butter, almond butter, just your preference. And you need protein powder and collagen, or one or the other, whichever you prefer. So I'm using the coconut almond milk blend, and I'm going to do 2 cups. I am going to add in 1 frozen avocado. One tablespoon of powdered almond butter. I got this at, I believe it was Whole Foods. Next is some protein powder. I'm using the chocolate. You can use vanilla, whichever you prefer. Right now, I'm going with chocolate. And I got this by Isopure, and ingredients are good. There are 25 grams of protein and 1 scoop. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of this and 1 scoop of collagen, just depending on your preference. You can do 2 scoops of protein or 2 scoops of collagen. I like doing 1 of each. So I have 1 scoop of protein. Next, I'm adding in the collagen. I'm using Oregon Keto Collagen protein powder. This has 10 grams of protein in it. And if you're half in the recipe, you can do 1 scoop of either or do half a scoop of each. I do half a scoop of each when I half the recipe. And that's all the ingredients. So it's just 4 or 5 ingredients depending on your preference of what you want to use. So now it's time to blend it. Okay, now that it's done, you just pour it into your cup. I use a large mason jar for my shakes. And that's it. Super good. I love this shake. So I got the calories and macros for you. If you do the full shake like I just made, it is 560 calories, 5 net carbs, 34 grams of fat, and 45 grams of protein. That's a percentage of 4% carbs, 60% fat, and 36% protein. If you do half the recipe, it's 280 calories. It'll be 2 grams of net carbs, 17 grams of fat, and 23 grams of protein. And you're still looking at the 4% net carbs, 60% fat, 36% protein. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.